All right, y'all, this is Melvin with Narrow Path Roofing and Construction. I'm out here about to attempt repair here in Decatur at Mr. Woodard's house. We did the adjuster meeting 2 days ago. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Got Andre with me. He's gonna do the filming up top. This is a very steep roof, very dangerous roof, 3 stories in the back, and it's a 12-12 all over. So we just chose this area right here, which is the safest place to attempt this repair. So bear with us. I'm gonna hand the phone up to Andre now. Bear with me as we try to do this the best that we can. All right. So we see this is the wind crease shingle right here. You see the crease right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this shingle out. As you see, I'm not compromising the shingle, not lifting the shingle more than what the roof snake will allow. Looks like we got a couple more. There we go, finally found it. I had one more to get. Couldn't find it because it blended in with the shingle. We got one more on this side. All right, there we go. And one more on this side. Let's see. Looks like that's supposed to be it. Looks like we may have one more. Y'all might see some movement in the camera. I might have to get Andre to move, so let me hold the camera. As we see, it's almost out.
Need me to move up some more?
Yeah, I think Andre is sitting on the nail. Try that spot right there. Looks like we got one over here. Yep, just identified it. Whew. As you see, shingle rip right there. And it's actually caught. There we go. Well, as we see there, once again, this is the wind crease shingle right here. Let's see, if I just drop that. No, I don't want to drop it on her flowers. See if we can slide this new one in. All right, let's go ahead and start the ATR. All right, as you'll see, I'm not lifting the shingle no more than what the roof snake will allow. right, if you can hand that back. I do want to show the new shingle right here. I want to show where it is creased right here. It's creased all across here. So right here, I'm gonna write, so fail in those areas. Even right in this area, fail. So just wanted to show y'all that. Thanks.